What if I told you there was a natural substance so powerful that thousands call it miraculous? This oil, used for generations from ancient Egypt to modern times, is believed to benefit the skin, hair, digestive system, and much more. I'm talking about castor oil. In today's video, we'll explore its unique properties and why people from all walks of life consider it essential for health and wellness. If you're interested in natural remedies and holistic health, stay with me and I'll reveal the science behind castor oil's amazing potential. Please like and subscribe to support more videos like this. Castor oil is a unique oil extracted from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant, commonly known as the castor bean plant. But don't let the name castor bean confuse you. It's technically a seed, not a bean. The plant itself is actually quite toxic due to a compound called ricin, but the extraction process removes these harmful components, leaving behind a safe, potent oil. So what makes castor oil stand out from other oils? Its primary component, ricinoleic acid, is what gives castor oil its powerful properties. Ricinoleic acid makes up around 90% of the oil's fatty acid content. This compound has been linked to anti-inflammatory, antibacterial, antifungal, and even pain-relieving effects, which is why castor oil has gained a reputation as a natural cure-all. For centuries, castor oil has been used for various purposes. Ancient Egyptians valued it for its moisturizing and beauty benefits, and they even believed it could improve eye health. Today, people use it in everything from skincare routines to hair treatments. Castor oil's journey from ancient to modern times shows just how versatile and valuable it is. And that's exactly what we'll be diving into next. From beauty to health, castor oil might just become your new favorite oil. The magic of castor oil lies in its primary component, ricinoleic acid. This unique fatty acid sets castor oil apart from other oils and contributes to many of its health benefits. But what exactly does ricinoleic acid do? Research shows it has several properties that make it highly effective as an anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and even a pain reliever. Here's where it gets really interesting. Scientists believe that ricinoleic acid can interact with cell receptors, which helps activate anti-inflammatory pathways in the body. Think of it as castor oil talking to your cells, giving them instructions to calm inflammation, fight bacteria, or relieve pain. Ricinoleic acid's ability to reach deep within the skin makes castor oil a popular choice for topical applications, as it penetrates effectively without leaving a heavy residue. Many people have reported significant improvements when using castor oil for conditions like arthritis, joint pain, and even menstrual cramps. In fact, one of the most common uses for castor oil packs, applying soaked cloth to the skin, is to ease pain and inflammation in specific areas. For anyone who prefers natural remedies, castor oil's powerful interaction with our body on a cellular level offers an appealing alternative to synthetic solutions. So whether you're looking for pain relief or skin support, the science-backed properties of castor oil are hard to overlook. When it comes to natural beauty, castor oil is a game changer. Its moisturizing and antibacterial properties make it a perfect addition to any skincare routine. Because castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, it helps keep the skin hydrated while also fighting off bacteria that can cause acne or other skin irritations. In ancient Egypt, Cleopatra was rumored to have used castor oil as part of her beauty regimen, particularly to enhance her eye appearance. While we may not follow in Cleopatra's footsteps exactly, castor oil has proven to be effective in reducing inflammation, soothing dry patches, and even promoting wound healing. When applied regularly, it can help with common skin issues, such as redness, breakouts, and signs of aging. Another unique benefit? Castor oil's consistency makes it ideal as a gentle makeup remover and natural eyelash conditioner. Some people even report that regular application of castor oil on their eyelashes or eyebrows leads to thicker, more luscious growth. For those looking for a simple, natural skincare solution, castor oil provides a host of benefits without the need for harsh chemicals. It's no wonder that many are turning to this ancient oil to elevate their beauty routines with results they can see and feel. Castor oil's benefits extend well beyond the skin. Its effects on hair health are equally impressive. Many people swear by castor oil as a hair growth booster, often applying it directly to the scalp to stimulate the hair follicles. While scientific research is still catching up with anecdotal claims, there's a solid reason castor oil could support hair growth. Improved blood circulation. When massaged into the scalp, the ricinoleic acid in castor oil may help improve blood flow, bringing more oxygen and nutrients to the hair follicles. This nutrient boost encourages healthier hair growth and may even help prevent hair thinning over time. Additionally, castor oil's natural antibacterial and antifungal properties help maintain a healthy scalp, reducing dandruff and irritation. The oil's thickness makes it a great conditioner for the hair, too. Its rich, nourishing texture helps seal moisture into the hair shaft, preventing dryness and breakage. Many people use castor oil as an overnight treatment or mix it with lighter oils like coconut or olive oil to create a deep conditioning hair mask. If you're looking to add some volume and shine to your locks, incorporating castor oil into your hair care routine could be a simple yet effective solution. Castor oil isn't just a beauty solution, it's also known for its health benefits, especially in pain relief and anti-inflammatory uses. Many natural health practitioners recommend castor oil packs for conditions like joint pain, menstrual cramps, and even muscle soreness. The process is straightforward. Soak a cloth in castor oil, place it on the affected area, and apply heat with a warm towel or heating pad. This promotes deeper absorption, allowing the ricinoleic acid to penetrate and work on inflammation from within. Some people report relief from menstrual cramps after applying castor oil packs to the lower abdomen. Others find that the oil helps soothe arthritic joints or sore muscles after a workout. Castor oil's natural pain-relieving properties make it an attractive alternative for those seeking non-pharmaceutical options. In addition to pain relief, castor oil is also known for its effectiveness as a natural laxative. However, it's essential to use it sparingly and consult a healthcare professional before ingesting it, as the effects are potent. Castor oil triggers the muscles in the intestines to contract, helping relieve constipation. This dual-purpose oil is truly versatile, offering both topical and internal benefits, making it a valuable tool in natural health practices. While castor oil has an impressive range of benefits, it's essential to approach its use with some caution. Like any natural remedy, it's not a miracle cure, and moderation is key. Some individuals may experience skin sensitivity or allergic reactions, especially with prolonged use, so always perform a patch test first. Pregnant women should avoid castor oil unless advised by a healthcare professional, as it can stimulate uterine contractions and may induce labor. When it comes to ingesting castor oil, remember that a little goes a long way. Only small amounts should be taken, and ideally under the guidance of a health practitioner. Misusing it can lead to severe digestive discomfort, so always use it responsibly. Despite these precautions, the benefits of castor oil are compelling, from its beauty-enhancing properties to its health-supportive effects. While more scientific research is needed to fully understand its mechanisms, castor oil's long-standing reputation in traditional medicine and natural health circles speaks volumes. Whether you're exploring it for beauty, hair health, pain relief, or wellness, castor oil's versatility makes it worth considering for your routine. So is castor oil the miracle oil thousands believe it to be? From ancient beauty routines to modern health remedies, castor oil has certainly earned its place in natural medicine and self-care. Its benefits seem almost endless, promoting glowing skin, supporting hair growth, soothing pain, and even aiding digestion. Whether or not you consider it a miracle, castor oil's impact is undeniable, with a unique chemistry that allows it to serve multiple health and beauty functions. The more we explore its uses, the clearer it becomes that this oil offers something truly special. That said, remember to use castor oil responsibly. Always start with a patch test for skin applications and seek professional guidance before any internal use, especially if you're pregnant or managing health conditions. With mindful use, castor oil could be an incredible addition to your health and wellness routine, a simple yet effective tool that connects us to the wisdom of natural healing. Thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this exploration into castor oil's many benefits, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on natural wellness.